Creating a terrace vegetable garden is a great way to utilize limited space, grow fresh produce, and add greenery to your home. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Planning and preparation. Assess the space. Measure your terrace to understand how much space you have. Identify areas that receive the most sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Choose the right containers. Select pots, planters, or grow bags that are large enough to accommodate the root system of your chosen plants. Ensure containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Prepare the soil. Use a high-quality potting mix that is rich in organic matter. Mix compost or well-rotted manure into the soil to enhance fertility. 2. Selecting vegetables. Consider climate and space. Choose vegetables suited to your climate and the space available. Easy-to-grow vegetables for beginners include tomatoes, peppers, lettuce, spinach, radishes, and herbs like basil and mint. 3. Planting sow seeds or transplant seedlings. Follow the planting instructions on seed packets regarding depth and spacing. If using seedlings, transplant them gently to avoid damaging the roots. Companion planting. Plant compatible vegetables together to maximize space and enhance growth. For example, tomatoes and basil grow well together. 4. Maintenance. Watering. Water your plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water early in the morning or late in the afternoon to reduce evaporation. Feeding. Fertilize your plants with organic fertilizers like compost tea or fish emulsion every 2 to 3 weeks. Avoid over-fertilizing as it can harm plant roots and reduce yields. Pruning and training. Prune plants to remove dead or diseased leaves and to promote air circulation. Use stakes or trellises for support if growing climbing plants like beans or cucumbers. 5. Pest and disease management. Monitor regularly. Check your plants frequently for signs of pests or diseases. Use organic pesticides or natural remedies like neem oil to control pests. 6. Harvesting. Know when to harvest. Harvest vegetables when they are ripe and at their peak flavor. Refer to seed packets or gardening guides for specific harvesting times. Regular harvesting encourages plants to produce more. 7. Seasonal considerations. Rotate crops. Practice crop rotation by planting different vegetables in the same containers each season to prevent soil depletion and pest buildup. Tips for success. Start small and gradually expand your garden as you gain experience. Keep a gardening journal to track planting dates, growth progress, and any issues encountered. Engage with local gardening communities or online forums for advice and inspiration. By following these steps, you can enjoy the benefits of a thriving terrace vegetable garden and reap the rewards of fresh, homegrown produce. Happy gardening!